You land in Grenada and the air changes. The smell of nutmeg, cacao, a little smoke. The island introduces itself before you can even see it. What's up guys, Jesse here, and we are in the spice aisle, the spice island of Grenada. Grenada doesn't rush. It moves on its own rhythm. Slow, steady, sure of itself. I've barely dropped my bags and already the pull of the ocean feels magnetic. There's a strange clarity that comes from walking towards the water, like you're heading somewhere familiar, even if you've never been. Grand Anse, the kind of beach that postcards try and fail to copy. The colors don't seem real until you're standing in them. Turquoise that humbles you, sand like warm flour. And everyone here, they just get it. Life moves differently when the sea decides the pace. What's up guys, just made it to Grand Anse Beach. I really don't have any words. I mean, just imagine the perfect beach with crystal clear water, calm, not a lot of people, no sargassum, which is like seaweed. Calm water, blue, warm. This is the beach right here. I mean, this is so far so good. After a swim, I do the only logical thing. Grab a rum punch from a local beach vendor. Overproof rum, fresh lime, a little spice. From the beach, I head towards Fort George, a short ride uphill to one of the oldest points of the island. Built in the early 1700s, fought over by the French and the British, then dragged into more political history than most places its size ever deserved. But whatever happened here, the view steals the story. As the sun drops, the carnage turns copper, and the sky behind the hills burns orange. Boats slow down, the noise fades, and the island shifts into something else for a few minutes. Up here, the island feels deeper, older. Quick reminder that every place is more than what you see at first glance. I chase local food everywhere I go, but I've also got this ridiculous ritual, chicken Alfredo. I've had it on every continent. It's my grounding technique, like my version of a phone call home. The next morning, I make a coffee in anticipation for my first Grenadian sunrise. What's up guys, morning. Another beautiful day here in Grenada. Actually my first morning. Having some coffee, have a jam-packed day ahead. Gonna go grab some breakfast and then make my way to the local market. Definitely gonna spend some time at the beach, and then we're gonna head to the cooking class. Really excited, so far so good. I have nothing but positive things to say so far about this island. It's been really smooth, chill. I'll put the links to everything down in the description as we go, but this is a very highly recommended place, I have to say. If you want to understand any island, start with breakfast. Saltfish, cocotie, and fried bake. Okay, this is saltfish, right? I'll do saltfish. Saltfish. Wow. Really good.
Markets are the heart of the Caribbean. Spices piled like treasure, fruit that looks like it was picked 5 minutes ago, and vendors who treat you more like a neighbor than a visitor.
So you're available with all different spices. So when anybody ready for spices, you come and check out Comedy St. George's Market Square.
Perfect.
Grenada is called the Spice Island for a reason. For centuries, this place has produced some of the world's best nutmeg, mace, cinnamon, and cloves. The volcanic soil, the heat, the humidity. It all works in the island's favor. Nutmeg became so big here that at one point Grenada was the world's second largest exporter. You feel it everywhere, in the markets, in the food, even in the air. Spice isn't a nickname here, it's part of the identity.
I'm about to get picked up for my cooking class. Super excited, so let's go.
In the hills of Mount Parnassus, Chef Kenedy opens his home. Not a studio, not a restaurant, a home. This isn't a class, it's an invitation. To walk the garden, touch the plants, smell the herbs, and understand food the way Grenadians do. With respect, intention, and fire.
We put one in it. Fragrance.
On the menu, fish cakes, rum punch, and the national dish of oil down.
Put it up. And you can... So sweet. Cakes. Awesome.
Codfish, the dry ice, and if you see, carrots has a tendency to repel oil. So when it's frying, it doesn't absorb the oil, but it repels it while frying. So it gives us a nice crispy flavor. Onions, it's tend to repel oil. Water. But mix it up. Texture that is not sappy or too wetty, but moist enough so that when you put it up.
Boiled down is Grenada's national dish, and it comes from a long history of making the most of what the land and the moment offered. Breadfruit, callaloo, coconut milk, turmeric, all cooked low and slow in one pot. It's a blend of African, indigenous, and colonial influence, shaped over generations. What started as a practical communal meal became a point of pride. Today, oil down isn't just food, it's culture, memory, and a taste of how Grenada brings people together. Chef Kenedy cooks the way the island cooks, patient, practical, and rooted in tradition. Inside, as the pot comes together, you start to understand oil down in a way you never could from a restaurant menu. The ingredients go in by instinct, not by measurement, because here, cooking is something learned by living it. Then you step outside into the yard, and it clicks. The breadfruit, callaloo, the herbs, they're grown right here on land that's been passed down from generation to generation. This isn't just a backyard. It's family history you can taste. Oil down isn't just Grenada's national dish. It's a connection to land, memory, and the people who've kept these traditions alive. Food meant to be shared and understood.
Love this view.
1 sour, 2 sweet, 3 strong, 4 weak. The Grenadian blueprint for rum punch. Simple on paper, dangerous in reality. Chef Kenedy mixes it like someone who's been doing it his entire life. And honestly, he probably has.
Thank you. Cheers. Nice meeting you.
It's fully cooked. So that means the pot is cooked. No, we know it's hot. Predominant. Some other thing.
I walk the marina in the early morning. Quiet boats, soft light, and that slow Grenadian rhythm before the heat kicks in. Port Louis Marina has its own kind of calm, the kind you don't get at the beaches. I stop at Cafe Louis right on the water. Simple breakfast, good view. Just the kind of spot where you can sit, eat, and watch the island wake up. After breakfast, I head out towards BBC Beach. Smaller than Grand Nance, but that's its charm. Calm water, fewer people, and an easy place to lose a couple of hours. It's the kind of beach locals choose when they want quiet, and honestly, I can see why. What's up guys, Jesse here. Hope you enjoyed my video. Definitely recommend coming here to Grenada. It surprised me how beautiful it was, and really everything about this trip was perfect. So I definitely recommend it. Put the links down to everything in the description. But anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like, subscribe, and until next time. So I'm gonna go now because I need to enjoy a little bit. But yeah. Every trip leaves you with something, and Grenada leaves you with honesty. Nothing staged, nothing polished. Just real people, real food, real life. You come here expecting beaches, and you get those. But you also get perspective, the kind that stays with you long after your flight home.